Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a Halloween nail polish haul video for you. So as you can tell, I purchased way too many nail polishes again, and in the month of October I was really focusing on getting some of the Halloween collection. I decided to bring you this video as part of my Halloween party series. I am so sorry, I really planned to swatch everything on my nails, but I'm just running out of time and I still really want to show you these polishes in case if you would like to purchase them. So today I have the China Glaze 2019 Halloween collection, and I believe it's looking for a color. And then I also have the Night Owl Lacquer 2019 Halloween collection, and that's the Halloween playlist. I will show you some swatches on the nail wheel, so all of these are swatched at 2 coats. Some of these polishes can use another coat, but for the most part these are all 2 coaters. And at the end of the video I will come back and just share with you my favorites from these collections. If you do like haul videos and if you do enjoy my Halloween party series, then definitely please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my upcoming videos in the Halloween party series, then also hit the subscribe button before you leave. I will leave everything for you in the description box, so I will link for you where you can purchase these polishes. Everything is still available when I checked at the time of filming, so I do hope that you can still put your hands on everything that I will show you today. So let's jump into showing you these 2 collections, and as I said, then I will come back and just share with you some quick thoughts on these polishes. So guys, what do you think about these two Halloween collections? As I said, one from them was from China Glaze and the other one is from Night Owl Lacquer. This way I brought you a mainstream and also an indie Halloween nail polish collection. I do have to say that I definitely like the Night Owl Lacquer polishes more. I think they are just more unique, and I feel like China Glaze played it a little safe with this collection, but nevertheless I still really enjoy these polishes from both of the collections. So as far as my favorites for the Night Owl Lacquer, it has to be Thriller. I really like that. And for China Glaze, I just like this deep purple plumpy color, and that's the Private Side Eye. Those are my two picks from these two collections. I am not that thrilled about the China Glaze collection this year. I think they did a much better job last year, but they still have a relatively nice color choice, and some of these colors are quite unique to China Glaze. Night Owl Lacquer nailed it. I do have many of her polishes already and I always enjoy them in the past. I am really looking forward to wearing these, and her colors I would say are more wearable throughout the year, so they are not necessarily just Halloween heavy. You can definitely wear these colors even for fall or winter, depending on if you are a seasonal nail polish wearer or not. So let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, and if you purchased any of these polishes, or if you're maybe thinking about purchasing any of these collections. Again, everything will be in the description box, so please feel free to check it out if you are interested in getting any of these. Alright, that will be all for today, so thank you guys so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will be back for you with some more spooky videos soon. Thank you. Bye bye.